Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end the day. A mixed day in the markets to kick off the week. The Nasdaq gained 0.2%. The S&P added about 0.1. The Dow Jones closed down just over 0.1%. Small caps saw the biggest loss, falling 1.1%. Turning to the winning and losing sectors of the S&P 500, consumer discretionary rallied 1.4%. Communications closed up nearly 1%. Real estate, meanwhile, added more than 0.5%. Energy was the day's biggest laggard, losing nearly 1%. Financials and technology each closed down about 0.25%. Turning to some stocks on the move, OnSemi's better than expected earnings sent shares soaring 11.5%, touching their highest level since March. The semiconductor company beat on the top and bottom line and issued strong guidance for the third quarter. Competitor AMD will report its earnings after the market closes tomorrow. Shares of AMD are down 14% in July. McDonald's rallied 3.7% despite a miss on both the top and bottom line. The fast food giant said its new $5 value deals sold above expectations, and it expects customers will continue to feel the pinch of the economy for at least the next several quarters. McDonald's did maintain guidance for new stores, CapEx, and operating margins. Tesla, meanwhile, was also a top gainer. Morgan Stanley named the company as its top pick in U.S. autos, replacing Ford. The analyst said efforts to cut costs stemmed downside risks and can lead to positive cash flow at an enterprise level. Morgan Stanley kept an overweight rating on the shares with a $310 price target. Mag 7 earnings resume tomorrow with Microsoft on deck. We'll also hear from AMD, Starbucks, PayPal, and Pfizer. The FOMC kicks off its meeting tomorrow with more data to come from the home price index, consumer confidence, and the JOLTS report. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.